students, as you all know that it is the time of celebrating Independence Day. Okay, you must have seen Principal Sir and you must have got Independence Day wishes from himself. Now it's our turn. Okay, tricolor activity, and I'm going to make a tricolor diya stand. Okay, and for that what do you need? You will need राइस. हम जो दिया स्टैंड बनाने वाले हैं ना, वो राइस से बनाने वाले हैं. इस बॉक्स में मेरे पास राइस है. सॉरी, इट इज़ अ जार. Some rice in this jar, see, and one jar is special jar. I will show you later. वो जार मैं बाद में दिखाऊंगी. ठीक है. Now और इसके बाद हमको क्या चाहिए? इसके बाद हमको चाहिए कलर्स. 4 कलर्स. You know now what are the colors of our tricolor? हमारे तिरंगे का क्या कलर है? It is saffron. So we need fabric color or acrylic poster color will also do. Saffron, white. Is it visible to you? Green, and of course blue. Do you know what is this color? This color is blue and it is the color of Ashok Chakra. Okay, and now tell me what is the sequence of band of colors? जो तिरंगा झंडा होता है उसका सीक्वेंस क्या होता है? It is always, see here, saffron, white and then green. Saffron, white and green. तो ये जो मेरे पास राइस है बॉक्स में, इसको मैं कलर करने वाली हूँ इन 3 कलर्स. ओके, नाउ इसको क्या करने वाली हूँ? मैं कलर करने वाली हूँ. कैसे कलर करूँगी? इट इज़ वेरी इजी. ओके, लेट मी शो यू. इट हैज़ राइस ओनली. सी, ओके. सो इसमें मैम कलर डालेगी अभी. ठीक है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम मेकिंग ग्रीन, द कलर green, and you will have to wait for some time. Till then I can talk to you. So I have got green. Is it visible to you? I am going to shake it. This activity is very easy. बहुत easy activity है. See. Wow, it is turning green. See? It has turned green. Are you hearing the voice? Now my green color is ready. Now it's time for white color. So I am pouring color white in it. See? Now what I will do? पहला क्या है? पहला हमने राइस लिया, उसको जार में भरा, then कलर पोर किया, and the third step is to shake it. Although rice is already white, then also to give it a perfect texture या perfect color, मैंने इसमें white color mix किया है. See, it has turned white, green and white. And what is the one more color? Saffron, white and green. Saffron is ready here with me. Pass me that spoon. Knife, yes. ठीक है. अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं, आई विल टेक योर लेस टाइम, डोंट वरी. सो माई सैफरन कलर इज रेडी. एंड नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज द सीक्वेंस ऑफ कलर्स. द सीक्वेंस ऑफ कलर आर सैफरन, वाइट एंड ग्रीन. लेकिन जब हम इस एक्टिविटी को करेंगे तो सबसे पहले ग्रीन कलर यूज़ करेंगे, उसके बाद वाइट, उसके बाद सैफरन, और उसके बाद आप लोगों के पास एक और सरप्राइज है. ओके, नाउ माय कलर्स आर रेडी. तो मैडम ने क्या बोला आपको, सबसे पहले आपको ग्रीन कलर यूज़ करना है. एंड मैंने आपको बताया नहीं है, इस एक्टिविटी के लिए आपको एक और भी चीज़ चाहिए, एंड दैट इज 2 ग्लासेस. ये देखो, ये कांच की ग्लासेस है. ओके, दिस वी नीड. And what I'm going to do is, अभी इस ग्लास में ना मैं ये जो कलर्ड राइस है ना उसे डालूंगी. ओके, सो नाउ द फर्स्ट वन, दिस आई एम pouring ग्रीन कलर इन इट सो दैट इट विल सेटल डाउन एट द बॉटम. नीचे आने के लिए ग्रीन पहले डालना पड़ेगा ना. सो आई एम pouring ग्रीन कलर. ओके, कैन यू सी? Is it visible? See, color green. Now this glass. Is it same? Now green के ऊपर कौन सा बैंड होता है? It is white band. It is white band. Now I am going to pour white color. See, green. Now it is turn to pour white color, white. अच्छा, मुझे आप लोगों से ना एक बात करनी है, और वो बात ये है that अभी आपने पलक मैम की एक्टिविटी देखी, isn't it? एंड प्रतीक्षा मैम ने भी एक ट्राई कलर एक्टिविटी किया. सो those 2 tricolor activities are for all the students, although they have specified the class. So आप लोगों को क्या करना है, you have to conduct those activity at home, और आपको अपनी पिक्चर पोस्ट करनी है. Either you can post the picture in our WhatsApp number or on our Gmail number. Okay, and pictures का हम करेंगे क्या, we will do, we will post the picture on our Facebook wall. Okay, so I am pouring color white also. So, is it visible? Wow, it's looking nice. इसमें एक वाइट कलर का लड्डू भी बन गया. सी, देखो, इसमें वाइट लड्डू बन गया. Where shall I keep this लड्डू? ये देखो, 15 अगस्त का प्रसाद है ये. ओके, सो white color is also poured in one of the glasses. Okay, now it's turn for second glass to shake it. इसमें ना मैम ने ना कलर में वाटर ज़्यादा डाल दिया था, that's why it is sticking. Now it's turn for white color. Is it visible? Okay. नाउ अब कौन सा कलर का टर्न है? नाउ इट्स टर्न फॉर कलर सैफरन. green, white, and then on the top color saffron. See, both the glasses are ready with two colors. Now saffron. Saffron is already dry, so it will not create problem. Now this is the time for pouring saffron color. See, wow, is it looking nice? See, now second bottle. Meanwhile, I will show you what Palak ma'am and Pratiksha madam has prepared. Now this is my stand is ready. My tricolor stand is ready. Is it looking nice? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place 2 diyas on it, and it will turn into a tricolor diya stand. See, diya is already with bati and oil or ghee, whatever you want, and I am going to see my tricolor diya stand is ready. Okay, not now. Now I am going to blow it. स्टूडेंट्स, जब आप ये एक्टिविटी कंडक्ट करेंगे ना, तो कीप योर पेरेंट्स विद यू. अकेले एक्टिविटी कंडक्ट नहीं करना है, ओके? बिकॉज लाइटनिंग दिया इज नॉट सेफ फॉर स्मॉल स्टूडेंट्स. सो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू हाउ माई ट्राइकलर दिया स्टैंड इज लुकिंग. 1 minute. Let me clear it. So this is my tricolor diya stand, okay, and I'm going to show you please pass me 2 boxes. No, this one, thank you. It will act as a stand. Now is it visible to you all? I think it is visible to them. Yes. Now this is my tricolor diya stand. Yeah. Okay. And now I am going to show you what Palak ma'am has made and what Pratiksha madam has done. So this is the activity done by Palak ma'am. Okay, this diya stand, this tricolor diya stand, this is block frame painting. Okay, it is basically done with the help of lady's finger. And now I am going to show you one activity that is done by Pratiksha madam. Yoo-hoo! See, this is thumb printing. Okay, so this activity is done by, see, I'm going to show you the tricolor diya stand, the ladies fingerprinting activity, or it is called block painting, and the thumb printing. Okay, now ये आपके पास 3 एक्टिविटीज़ हैं फॉर योर इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेशन. और अगर आप स्कूल आते तो हम आपको एक्टिविटी ज़रूर कराते. नाउ यू आर एट होम, सो यू कैन कंडक्ट योर एक्टिविटी एट होम. नाउ देयर इज अ सरप्राइज फॉर यू. ओके, yes, so dear students, wish you a happy independence, a very happy independence to you. Conduct the activities at home. Okay, and जब आप activities done कर लेंगे, when your activities will be done, post your activities at in our Facebook page and send your pictures to our WhatsApp number. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day. Once again, wish you a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. So dear students, let us do today's work. Today's notebook work, that what you have to do in English notebook. So dear parents, for today's notebook work, please note down, put today's date, then we have to work on letter A to K. Today's work is, the topic is letter A to, so class KG2, it was your tricolor activity that you have to conduct at home. Okay? Now, this is the time for having homework. Okay? In the last class, ma'am ने आपको double E sound पढ़ाए थे. Okay? And double E says E and E says A. So, I'm going to give you some words related to A and E sound. Okay? And this is your extra work. This is your extra work. This is not in your book. आपकी book में नहीं है. Okay? So, I'm going to give you homework. And your homework is regarding A and E sound. A, E sound words. And what is your homework? Do you know? आपका homework क्या है? आपको पता है? Your homework is write the names of Madam will give you some pictures and you have to write their names. You have to write their names. The first picture is very easy. And the picture is number 1. It is a curve with another curve. What is this? This is a bell. So you have to write in the blank. What is the spelling of bell? B-E-double-L. That is B-E-L. Bell. B-E-L. Bell. Now the next picture is, it is number 2. Picture number 2 is, there are 2 curves like this. Now a curve like this. Now I'm going to write V on it. and I'm going to make some curves over it that is like this. Wow, it is so easy, isn't it? बहुत easy है. And this is a, what is this? This is a tree. So what you need to write here? Tree. Tree. Now the next picture. The next picture is number 3. Do you know, students, number 3 also has double E. THR, throw, E, 3. Likewise, what you are going to write now is, I'm just going to give you like this an oval with a handle like this, and I'm going to cross it slanting lines with slanting lines. See, do you know what I'm going to make? What I'm drawing? I'm drawing a net. I'm drawing a net. So what you need to write here? No at net. No at net. No at net. No at net. Now number 4. What is number 4? Number 4 is, I'm drawing an X like this. See? And I'm drawing a sleeping line over it. And I'm going to make curve like this. I'm going to join all the lines with the curve. Have you seen? Again. Have you seen? Now one more, the last one. So what is this? This is a spider's web. ये spider का web है, मकड़ी का जाला है. Okay. So what you are going to write here? Web. 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 Okay. Now picture number. What comes after 4? After 4, what comes after 4? It is number 5. And what is number 5? It is very easy. See, U and like this. What is this? This is an egg. This is an egg. Egg. Now I'm going to write one more word. That is, it is not the word actually. It is just a number. 1, 0. What is this? What is 1, 0? It is 1, 0, 10. Now number 7. At number 7, I'm just going to make a box and I'm going to fill it with color. Which color is this? This is color. This is color green. 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 Now see, students, I'm going to what I'm going to do? I'm going to color my pictures, okay, of my desired colors. I'm just coloring it. I'm coloring it not that good, but just I'm coloring it. This is your homework, students. Okay, I have told you what you need to do in your homework. Okay, you have to conduct that tricolor activity at home. Tricolor activity के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए? Just one glass. If you want to do it with one glass and some rice with 3 colors. Okay. And what will the color of bell? Bell will be of yellow color. I need a yellow color bell. So my bell is of yellow color. Okay. And what is the color of egg? Egg is generally white, but sometimes it looks yellow also and pink also. So I am going to do it yellow. It is not exactly yellow, but it is yellow. And do you know an amazing fact that some eggs are blue in color too? कुछ eggs जो होते हैं वो blue color के भी होते हैं. So KG2, this was your homework of the day, that you need to write all the names of these pictures. Like this is bell, tree, net, web, egg, 10, green. Okay, so KG2, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.